And now we've arrived, desktop virtualization. And this is where we virtualize the entire desktop and deliver it to any device, anywhere, at any time. And the application that we're going to show next is in the manufacturing floor. So let's go into the lab and take a look. Now the difference with desktop virtualization is you don't have a laptop or a desktop or an operating system. You essentially have nothing. So you have to start with something to get your virtual desktop to come to you. Now a great platform for that is a thin client, and here we have an HP thin client, and it's running an embedded Windows XP operating system underneath. And what we'll do is authenticate in, log in essentially, and a virtual desktop will be brought to us, and that's how we'll work. Now, what if I were on the manufacturing floor and I needed to run some high-def manufacturing video? Let's see what happens when we do that. Wow, that was one dangerous manufacturing video. But you know what's interesting about this? It didn't actually render in the data center. If it did, it would have had to send its high-def pixels all the way across the network and paint here, and that might have been tough. Now we can do that, but we can do something even better. We automatically detect that this thin client running embedded Windows XP has an embedded Windows media player underneath. And so we talk to it, we have it pull the data stream across the network and render the video for us. But you know, why should I have to be stuck to the workbench here? I should be able to take my manufacturing virtual desktop and take it anywhere I want to go. And I'm going to do just that. Here's an iPad. Imagine what I'm going to do next. iPad, open it up, connect to the App Store. Pull down Citrix Receiver. When Citrix Receiver is down and running, pointed at your Zen desktop broker with your login credentials, you click that icon and it's going to take that virtual desktop off the thin client and it's going to move it right onto the iPad. So the entire manufacturing virtual desktop is now here with me in portable. All my enterprise apps, all my manufacturing apps right here. And with that, I can take them anywhere I choose to go. And here we are at the train station. We're going to take this train down the tracks. That same virtual desktop we're going to go mobile with. We put it on the iPad. We had 802.11 a minute ago. Now we're going to go 3G. Here we go. Come on with us. Okay, we caught the train, actually while it's moving, but this is good. We're moving down the tracks. Now as we are, this is that same virtual desktop that we saw earlier in the manufacturing floor. It's on the same iPad. Now the difference here is we're not on an 802.11 connection, we're on a 3G connection going down the train. Same applications that I have here, everything that's given to me off receiver, but also that same video we ran. Let me double click on the video and I'll show you the difference here. Now we ran earlier on the thin client. The thin client actually had the embedded Windows media player, so it helped it along, it rendered it locally. In this case it certainly doesn't. We have an iPad, and the iPad doesn't have an embedded Windows media player, so it relies on the data center to render the whole video and send it all here via pixels. And it's doing that right now, right over that 3G connection. Now, if you don't have your iPad with you, there's always a backup, and that's your iWatch. So with your iWatch, you can scroll through all your different apps here, tune your FM station, click, get your time, do whatever you need to do. And guess what time it is for me? I gotta catch my stop. Talk to you later.